Hey guys, this is Vic here. In this video, I'm going to go over cart page features for your sales rep. So this is basically adding a rep drop down on the cart page so customers can select which rep helped them before they go to the checkout. Using this, we can track the order back to the rep and then we can assign the correct commission to the rep. So let's see how this gets added. So first, I'm going to go over Shopify 2.0. If you click this link, this will take you directly to the correct theme. Once this loads up, all you'll have to do is add the ad block. We've created this feature as an ad block. So for example, you see I have my theme here. It takes you directly to the cart page. Once I click ad block, under apps, you'll see our ad block here. Once we click this, it will add the ad block over here. You see now it appears below the checkout button, who helped you, and the list of your reps will show up here. That's it. That's all it is to the setup. Just hit save. Then for Shopify 1.0, we copy the correct liquid file into your themes, but to add this to the correct spot in the cart page, you need to go to your cart page liquid template. This can vary from theme to theme, but you'll need to go in there or ask your developer to go in there and just include this SR create order from cart page. If you need help, just contact us and we'll do it for free. Yeah, so that's about adding the rep dropdown on cart page. We also have the auto tag. This is when a new customer comes on your store and they select a rep with their first order. We can automatically tag that customer to the rep. So that's auto tagging. Well, that's all for cart page feature for the sales reps. Thank you.